placing a battery on an HP 14G7. So you want to flip the unit over to its backside and take all the screws out of the bottom cover. Then once all the screws are out, you can flip it back over and open it up. And take a spudger and pop the palm rest out. If the unit turns on, you can just hit the power button to shut it off. Once the palm rest comes off, you can unplug the keyboard ribbon and the touchpad ribbon from the motherboard. So next what you want to do is unscrew the screws that are holding in the battery. Then you want to unplug the battery before you do anything else. You take off the battery cover, and then you can take out the battery. So you can just set the battery right into place. And then the battery bracket right on top of the battery. And then you can put the screws back in to hold the battery down. And then you can plug the battery back into the motherboard. Now I'm going to be putting the palm rest. So you want to reconnect the keyboard ribbon. And the touchpad ribbon. Then you can snap the palm rest back into place. Once the palm rest is back into place, you can close the unit and flip it onto its backside and put the screws back into the bottom cover. So now we can verify the repair by opening up the unit. Turning on the unit by holding in the power button. And if the unit gets to a screen like this means that the repair was successful, and the battery symbol means that the battery is working. So now you can shut the unit off by hitting shut down and closing the unit.